I'm here to show you another recipe that I'm doing. I'm making like burritos. As you can see right here, this is just basically grounded up chicken thigh that I got from HEB. I'll show you guys the packet that I got. It's in here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. It's basically this packet right here. I got it from HEB. It's called Mia Tienda by HEB. Para Tacos de Polo Giglio, a traditional recipe of mild Giglio chilies for flavor and color. So this is seasoned diced chicken thighs, yo. I got this. Kind of just looks like basically just diced up chicken thighs and it's seasoned. Now, what I'm gonna put in the burrito, I have, it's all about, you don't have, change little things that you would usually put in a taco and just try to use a different alternative, or even a low fat alternative, or a low calorie alternative. So what I got was flat out. Oops, about to drop everything. This is called flat out. It's a multigrain flatbread, and it only has like 13. It has 13 grams of whole grain, 8 grams of fiber, and 7 grams of protein. And I believe it's only 100 calories per flatbread. And these breads is kind of huge. I'm gonna show you the size. All right, so this is the size of one flatbread, which is pretty big for it to just be 100 calories. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. As well, I have some light sour cream. I also got some pico de gallo. It's basically just diced up onions and diced up tomatoes and cilantro and stuff. I got like an avocado to add to it. And I got some little cherry tomatoes I'm gonna cut up in there. And I'll probably add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And that's pretty much it, you guys, that I'm gonna add to. And I also have some leftover rice, so I may add a little bit of rice that I had left over, which is right here. It's not a lot of it. It's not a lot of rice, so I might just add a little bit of that to the burrito. Yeah, so I just wanted to come up on here and show you guys what I'm cooking. So basically what I did was just ground. I just ground, just trying to give the meat some color. I added my own little seasoning to it. I added like sazon, which is right here. I added sazon. I added this. I added a little bit of lemon juice to it. And a little bit of this Creole seasoning to it. And a little bit of black pepper I added to it. And I put in one purple onion or red onion, however you want to call it. Yeah, so I'm basically letting this brown. I had the flatbread in the oven on low. Actually, let me put it on warm. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result of this burrito. It's very easy to make. I'll probably take like maybe under a half an hour to make this. Not long at all. So yeah, so that's what I'm having for dinner. As you guys know, I'm on a health kind of journey thing. I don't deprive myself of, if I want something, it's just in moderation that I take it. So what I'm gonna do with my burrito is probably eat half of my burrito and half of my lemon meringue pie that I have. I just came from the gym, you guys. So I'm like kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have a little treat of half of a meringue pie that I got from HEB, which is this. This is the meringue pie. It's basically just like whipped cream and the lemon meringue filling, in the crust. So I'm gonna have half of my burrito and half of that, and I'm done. And I'll probably have like some tea, like green tea, before I go to bed. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm going to let this cook a little bit, and I'll come back once it's fully cooked, because right now it's still trying to I'm still trying to make it gain some color. I'll see you back in a few. Oh, almost forgot, I also got I think it's called Pace, the original picante sauce, and it's medium, so it's not too hot. So I got this as well as a topping. Really cheap. It was like $1.72 at HEB. So yeah, so this is also going to be used as a topping for the burrito. So I'll catch you guys in the end result. Here's the end result of the burrito. I put some tomatoes in it, some spinach. It's a decent sized burrito. Just want to show you guys what it looked like. I actually added a little bit of avocado in there as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you once again on What's Cooking with WideEyeDiva. See you guys later. Bye.